Hello everyone, welcome to Talk a Topic. I am Harihar. Here we are going to discuss about US-China conflicts for Wuhan Lab. You know, US President Donald Trump and Chinese President Xi Jinping are fighting from the spreading of the coronavirus. First coronavirus positive shown in Wuhan. That's why US demanding that this virus made in Wuhan lab. But China opposing this argument, and now the situation in war between China and US. Here we know what we know or what we don't know about controversy of this laboratory. Simple clarification by China is US is updating it for show their power for coming US Republican strategies to threatening China. Also, China appealed to US to stop spreading disinformation or misleading the international community, and US should deal with its own problems and deal with the pandemic. China's government controlled media also blaming US, particularly to Mike Pompeo. State broadcaster CCTV called him evil and insane. State news agencies Xinhua called him a liar. The Global Times, it said top US diplomat has lost their moral compass. China's capital Beijing repeatedly stressed that there is no conclusion on the origin of the virus, also taking the information from scientists and medical experts stating Chinese officials and state media also pushed unfounded claims alleging that this virus did not origin in China. In March, Jia Lijian, a spokesperson of Chinese Foreign Ministry, said that the virus had originated in US and was brought to China by the US military. The alleging lab, Wuhan Institute of Virology, which is central government-run Chinese Academy of Sciences. It is the only lab on the Chinese mainland having highest level of biocontainment known as Biosafety Level 4, that is BSL-4. What exactly BSL-4? BSL-4 designed to study world's most dangerous pathogens, those that pose a high risk of transmission, are frequently dangerous and no reliable cure, such as coronavirus. This lab created in 2002-3 while there is spreading of SARS epidemic. After having perfection at SARS, the Chinese government decided to build a BSL-4 lab to prepare the country for future infectious disease outbreaks. The Wuhan National Biosafety Laboratory was designed and built with the help of France. Construction was finished until the end of 2014 and lab went into full operation in January 2018. Since then, the lab's lead virologist Xi Jinli, known as China's Batwoman, from 4 years of virus hunting, her team have studied various bat-borne coronaviruses. Xi's team has also forefront of research to understand the novel coronavirus. In February, she and her colleagues published a paper in the respected science journal Nature, concluding that the 2019 nCoV means novel coronavirus, that is 96% identical at the whole genome level at the bat coronavirus.